But how do you build up a capacity for health applications, for education? You definitely want the good guys to have strong AI.
We have to keep advancing, keep exploring, keep producing more tools. The bad guys are still going to misuse it, so why should the good guys stop? Let's set our sights on these groundbreaking AI tools tailored for schools. First up, we have performance AI tools. These are not just your run-of-the-mill analytics software. They utilize artificial intelligence to understand each student's learning pace, strengths, and areas of improvement. By analyzing patterns in the way students respond to questions or the time they spend on specific tasks, these tools can forecast performance and suggest personalized learning paths. Imagine a system that not only gauges where a student might struggle in the future, but also makes recommendations to help overcome those hurdles. These tools deliver on that promise, making them invaluable for educators aiming for a tailored learning experience. Then there's the AI Tutor, a game changer in the world of e-learning. Gone are the days when students had to wait for office hours or schedule appointments to ask a question. These AI-driven tutors are available round the clock, offering instant answers to queries, breaking down complex concepts, and even quizzing students for review. What's even more fascinating is that these tutors learn from every interaction, constantly growing and evolving their knowledge base and teaching methods. How about AI content creation tools? Crafting content for a curriculum, especially the interactive kind, can be very time-consuming. These tools come to the rescue by automating the creation of quizzes, flashcards, and even illustrative diagrams. Simply feed the core material in and watch the AI process and churn out engaging educational content in a fraction of the time it used to take. Lastly, we have AI-driven language labs. Language acquisition is significantly more effective when it's interactive. These labs offer real-time pronunciation correction, vocabulary enhancement exercises, and even cultural context lessons. All these, powered by AI, ensure that learners get a holistic language learning experience, making them not just linguistically adept, but also culturally informed. Just as AI has carved a niche in schools, it is donning an even more significant role in the workplace. Let's shift our focus to explore the AI-powered tools that are changing the dynamics of the modern workspace. Microsoft Excel AI is at the forefront. It is revolutionizing the way we interact with spreadsheets. Back in the day, Excel was just a tool for tabulating data. But now that AI and its features have taken over, Excel can now analyze large data sets, recognize patterns, and even predict future trends. For example, if you're inputting sales data, Excel can forecast future sales based on past patterns. It's like having a financial analyst tucked within your spreadsheet. That makes data interpretation a breeze. But AI's magic isn't limited to numbers. Microsoft Docs is here to change the way we draft and edit documents. Its AI-driven editor is more than just a spell checker. It dives deeper to offer grammar suggestions, style modifications, and even tone adjustments to ensure that your document is not just error-free, but polished and professional. Using Microsoft Docs is like having a personal editor on call to review your work. Next in line, we have the AI-powered meeting schedulers. Setting up meetings across different time zones with multiple participants used to be a Herculean task. Now with these AI tools, you can simply plug in your preferences and find the perfect time slot. AI-driven CRM systems like Salesforce Einstein are making waves in the sales and marketing sectors. These tools don't just manage customer data, they analyze it, understand customer behaviors, predict future interactions, and even automate routine tasks. In simple words, they are transforming customer relationship management from a reactive to a proactive function. The last but definitely not the least we have is the amazing AI virtual assistants, Cortana, Siri, and Google Assistant. These AI helpers are becoming indispensable for professionals. They schedule tasks, set reminders, answer questions, and even control smart office gadgets to make your workday more seamless and efficient. After the AI tools that will help you professionally, let's dive into the splashy and vibrant world of design. This year, there are some pretty cool AI tools out there that can make any design job feel like a walk in the park. Let's talk about some of them. Have you heard about Gen 2? This is not just your average design tool. What's fascinating about it is its ability to understand abstract design briefs. You might tell it that you're looking for something modern with a vintage twist, and voila! It brings you concepts that are eerily on point. No more sifting through templates. Gen 2's AI crafts designs that resonate. And then there's Midjourney. Think about the time you wished you could just speak your creative thoughts into existence. Midjourney does exactly that, but in the digital space. With a simple text description, like paint in the style of Picasso, you can get images or characters crafted uniquely for you. And if you're familiar with Discord, integrating Midjourney just levels up the whole experience. Now, if you're a fan of Adobe, their new Adobe Firefly is next level cool. In essence, Firefly helps add stunning text effects to your design projects. Although it's still in the early stages and available only to those who have beta access, it's surely something to keep your eye on. Topaz Labs has always been a leader in image enhancements, but in 2023, they've really upped the ante. This tool leverages AI to identify image imperfections, sometimes ones you might have missed. Topaz Labs uses AI to elevate your pictures from being simply good to gallery-worthy. Grainy photos? Random shadows? Topaz fixes them in a jiffy, ensuring each image is print-ready. It's like having a professional photo editor on hand to remove all those pesky imperfections. For many, it is the tool that has reinvented their photography. Talking about colors, meet Chroma. For all of you designers out there, this is like having your own personal color therapist. It learns from your choices and over time understands your color preferences so well that it seems almost psychic. Each palette suggestion is tailored to your personal taste, ensuring the designs have a consistent and unique color language. It's the kind of tool you'll want to have by your side when you're working on projects that need to scream you. Dream Studio is a graphic designer's dream. The AI-driven tool creates designs based on moods, trends, and inspirations. Whether it is social media graphics or print ads, Dream Studio makes sure each design is fresh and engaging. Simply give it a prompt and watch as it turns your words into beautiful images. Now, if you're someone whose drawing skills are limited to stick figures, you'll want to check out AutoDraw and its AI features. Sketch out your best version, and the tool using machine learning transforms it into a polished work of art. It's your personal artist, there to interpret your doodles. Branding is crucial, and that's where Luca Logo Maker jumps in. Just put in your company details, and in a few seconds, you'll have a plethora of custom logos to choose from. UizArt feels like magic for those who hate the tedious task of creating mock-ups from sketches. If you've got a hand-drawn concept, you can feed it in and get a wireframe in return. And that's just scratching the surface. Its theme generation from simple URLs is really something to behold. In the end, we have Canva, a tool that many have grown to love. And this year, they've introduced a new magical AI tool. With this, you no longer need to search or upload images. Instead, just type in a description or prompt, and boom, AI creates the image for you. Fancy a sunset over the mountains? Just type it in and let Canva do the rest. Designing in 2023 feels less like work and a lot more fun with these tools. Go on, give them a spin, and watch your designs come to life. Well, that's it for today's video. Our journey has taken us through some truly groundbreaking AI tools. As technology continues to evolve, it's important that we keep up and leverage these tools to make our lives both easier and more fulfilling. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay updated on the latest developments in AI, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And before you go, tell us in the comments, which of these AI tools are you most excited to try? We're all ears, and we can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, goodbye.